Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane.
Hello, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Kelly, or baking, whatever word you want to choose, right? We are doing blueberry cookies. This is a new recipe Kelly found. Simple, 6-7 ingredients. We're gonna do a double batch, but I'll read out the ingredients for a single. 3/4 cup mashed blueberries, 1/4 cup of sugar, but we're gonna replace it with Splenda and some stevia. 1 egg, 1 cup flour. We're gonna use some almond flour, and we're gonna try some coconut flour. And then 1/4 cup of oil and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. So,
But we're not using blueberries either.
no, we're not. We're using Saskatoons, which these will go in last because I will fold them into the cookie mix.
You need to add a few more because after smashing, because you need 1.5 cups. And
There's enough there. There's plenty there. There's enough there.
All right.
Okay. Okay. We'll start with the sugar first. Use up some of the sugar we got.
And you're preheating the oven to 350.
Yes.
You don't need that. Did you just put a full cup?
No.
Oh. Phew.
Peanut gallery.
Yeah, I thought I saw
over
you
there.
put a full cup.
Would you like to read that, my love?
No.
A 1/2 cup.
Oh. Okay.
Okay. Who does the baking in this house?
Hey, I've done some lately.
Yes, you have.
Yeah, I have.
Even though I don't have my glasses on, I can still read.
Yeah, okay. Because yes, it only calls for white sugar, but we're making it our own recipe.
Yes. I just don't know if the consistency will be there. I think I may just add a little bit more.
No, it'll be too sweet. It'll be too sweet. Don't please. It's too
Who's
sweet.
baking?
It's too sweet. Please don't.
Okay. Flour. I'm going to use 1 cup of almond and 1 cup of coconut.
Is in the freezer.
Yeah. Definitely kind of smells like coconut. So whatever we have is probably going to have a little bit of a coconut flavor, but
Yeah.
it's not that I hate the taste of coconut as much as I don't like the consistency of it.
Oh, whoa, whoa. You're making a mess over there.
Yeah. Making big as mess as I want to. I clean it up.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. That is the flour. Wish I had different ones, but oh well. So cork 2. So I think this is sunflower oil. I know.
I don't even know what we bought that for.
We did.
It's not a regular.
I don't even know if we bought. I don't know. We bought it for something.
Yeah, I don't know. It's not something that we normally buy.
No. No. Don't need that anymore. I don't need juice. Okay, 2 eggs. And the teaspoon, or the half, we'll go with the half teaspoon of baking soda. Okay. And here we go. All right, I was at these in. Shoot. That's it.
That's it.
Like, it mixed up really well. Okay, now our baking sheets. Okay, we're just going to scoop them out the about 2-inch round cookie. I don't know how much they're going to spread out. So we'll do three across, 4 up, or 3 up and down and 4 across, however you want to look at it. And
Oven's ready.
thanks. We actually may get 2.5 dozen out of this.
Cool.
All right. That's it. See, they're all ready to go in the oven. You're going to go in for 12 to 15 minutes, according to Kelly's instructions. When they are ready to come out, or when they come out, we'll just show you the end result.
Do a taste test.
That's it. Taste test. Very simple recipe. Very easy.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll be back. So they don't like fall down, spread out like a regular cookie. So the other batch, I kind of squished them down a little bit.
Oh my gosh. They are so good.
They're light. I
like the mixture of the flours.
don't. I am not a coconut lover. I don't mind it. Fine.
Mm.
But I'd rather use all the almond flour and probably add in some vanilla.
Could do that too, but oh, this is good.
But they're good.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Nice and light.
Mm. I definitely like the mix of the flours.
But if you got somebody that absolutely hate coconut, they will not like these.
Mm-mm.
Not with coconut flour.
You can. It's not a huge flavor, but you can taste it for sure.
For somebody who doesn't really like coconut, I can taste it.
Mm. Mm-mm.
Mm-hmm.
It's a keeper recipe.
Mm-hmm. There's I mean. All right. That's it. See you next time.